Something just happened in the AI world a couple of days ago that's going to change the way that human beings function and live and consume content forever. And I need you to hear me when I say this. I'm not hyping this up, and I'm definitely not being dramatic. There's something that's happening right now. It's changing the way that people make money. It's changing the way that people see the world. This is the greatest transfer of wealth that the world has ever seen. Right now, as you're watching this video, filmmakers are canceling their production shoots. YouTube creators are throwing away their entire old workflows and starting with new workflows from what I'm about to show you in this video. Hollywood is freaking out. So here's what happened. Higgsfield, which is one of the biggest AI video generation platforms in the world, just came out with Seedance 2.0, the most powerful video generation model ever. We're talking cinema quality output and native audio and videos that are generated in less than a couple of minutes. Videos that would have costed hundreds of thousands of dollars to make 5 years ago. Now, pennies on the dollar in less than 5 minutes. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create Hollywood-level videos and movies in minutes. And I'm going to show you a powerful way to start making money with this today. You don't need any technical knowledge. You don't need to know how to prompt, nothing like that. All you need is an internet connection and a willingness to learn. And real quick, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money with them as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed for normal, non-technical people to finally start making sense of the crazy AI world and how to profit from it as well. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. Okay, the first major capability that I want to show you is the multimodal input with reference system. And this is something that no other AI video tool on the planet can do. Most AI video models only let you give them a prompt and maybe one reference image. Seedance 2.0 lets you combine text, images, videos, and audio in one single generation. You can input up to 9 images, 3 video clips, and 3 audio clips alongside your prompt all at the same time. And here's the crazy part. You can reference visual composition from one image, camera language from another, a motion rhythm from a video clip, and sound characteristics from an audio file, all using simple @ tags to call them in. This means that you're not just prompting anymore, you're directing. You're handing the AI a mood board, a style reference, a motion reference, and an audio reference, and it combines all of them into one cinematic output. This next part is insane. Check this out. Take this schoolgirl and make her jumping rope with an electric jump rope in this basketball court and make this monster burst through the wall angry. She turns into a superhero and saves the day. We're going to hit generate, and here's what it gives us. The second major capability is complex motion and physical accuracy. This one is the one that's going to blow your mind, because if you've been generating with AI video for the past few years, you already know what I'm talking about. Every other model breaks the second things get complicated. A person running, their legs morph into noodles. 2 people interacting, their hands fuse together. A ball bouncing, it floats through the floor or explodes. Sports, choreography, action sequences. Every other AI video model on the market falls apart the moment real-world physics get involved. Seedance 2.0, on the other hand, just solved it. Objects fall, collide, and interact with real-world accuracy. Sports, choreography, action sequences, all smooth, no glitches, no morphing. This is Hollywood-level studio production quality movies and videos. And here is where it gets even better. Close-ups deliver realistic light shifts, the actual weight of clothing as it moves. the natural face expressions that don't look uncanny. This, my friends, is the first AI video model that actually understands how the real world works. So let me show you how easy this is, guys. We're in the Seedance 2.0 section of Higgsfield. And real quick, by the way, if you're looking at this lady and you're like, what is that? This is a video that I made with Cinema Studio in my last video on Higgsfield. So this is just another reason to sign up for Higgsfield. It's just crazy what this program can do. Check this out.
I saw you with her.
She means nothing to me.
I can't do this anymore. I'm leaving you for JohnnyTube. He's more of a man than you will ever be.
I made that clip in less than 5 minutes with a single sentence. This would have costed $50,000, $100,000 to make before. Now it's possible with Higgsfield. Normal people can do this. Let's get back into the Seedance demo. We're in the Seedance 2.0 section of Higgsfield. We're going to start just by giving it a simple prompt without uploading any pictures, videos, or audio. So I'm going to say something like this. A woman with orange hair in her mid-20s is driving a sports car. She is getting chased by a monster. She gets mad, she transforms into a superhero, and she takes care of the monster herself. So the model here is set on Seedance. We have all of these other models, but let's keep it on Seedance, which is currently the most powerful AI video generation model in the world. Let's set it to 13 seconds. We're going to switch it to 16:9. Keep it on 720, and we're going to click generate. And here's what it gives us. Okay, let's get a little crazy. Here we go. I'm going to take this superhero that I sketched in 8th grade and forgot about for 20 years and finally bring it to life. Here we go. Okay, let's bring my character to life before we create the video. So we're going up to image and then Nano Banana 2, and I'm going to type in, take this sketch and bring it to life. Make it a photorealistic, a detailed superhero with a bright, shiny colors. Very, very detailed and hyper realistic. We click generate and here's what it gives us. Whoa! What would I have given for this to come to life in 8th grade? This was done in less than 3 minutes on Nano Banana in Higgsfield. Oh my God, the sketch that I had for years just became a Marvel-like superhero. This is crazy. Now, the world will feel the wrath of my imagination. Here we go. Now, let's take this character that my nephew drew and turn it into the superhero that he's always dreamed of. I know that a lot of my subscribers are imaginative, creative people. I know you have an idea. I know you have a notebook somewhere where you have sketches that you sketched 10, 20 years ago. I know you have an idea for a children's book, for a comic, for a series, for a movie, for content in general. I know you have an idea. I know that the barrier to entry has been a giant mountain. You don't know how to sketch. You don't know how to bring it to life. You don't know how to animate it, nothing like that. Now in 2026 with Seedance 2.0 on Higgsfield, the barrier to entry is gone completely. There's no more excuses. If you have any type of idea in your head, in your imagination, in a notebook, collecting dust in your desk, no more excuses, guys. Now is the time to bring it to life. And 99% of the world doesn't know that this technology exists, which is why you can absolutely win in this type of AI business. The first idea to possibly earn with Seedance 2.0 is this. There are millions of parents around the world who have kids who want to just explore their imagination and they want their superheroes to come to life. You can even approach parents with this technology and make the kid the star of their own show. Make the kid their own superhero in their own movie. Imagine posting our services on Facebook, parenting groups, community groups, coaching groups, groups that have everything to do with kids and helping kids be the best version of themselves possible. Now, if I was a parent, which I'm not, I would pay so much money for this, to have my kid the star of their own movie. When was this possible in the past 20, 30, the history of the world? Now in 2026 with Higgsfield and Seedance 2.0, it's possible to make anybody the star of their own movie. Go on Facebook, search parenting groups, coaching groups, counseling groups. Look at how much engagement is in these groups. 90 posts a day, 30, 90 posts a day, 20 posts a day. There are millions of people in these groups. If you only get 5 clients per month, that's a full-time business right there. Here's the second idea to start a full-time AI business with this. Let's head on over to Fiverr for a second. Now, I typed in business commercials. Look at what these people are charging. There's $4,000 for a basic package, $500, $500. Scrolling down, we have $500, $150, $100, $1,800. Let's click into one of these and see what they actually charge. So $1,800 is the basic package. Standard is $3,000, premium $4,000. But look at this, guys. Their delivery time is 30 days. Now, in 2026, nobody, especially businesses, do not have time to wait 30 days for their commercial. If you put 1 or 2 day delivery in your title, you are probably going to get business. Now, I'm not saying that you're going to make $1 million overnight, because you're not. But if you stay habitual and you work hard at this, you can make a full-time living just off of this idea alone. Look, technological waves like this only come a couple of times in each generation. Do not be the person who looks back in 5, 10 years from now and says to yourself, it's just, why didn't I take advantage of this? Why didn't I start an AI business, start selling these videos to local businesses or social media management or whatever, or building a faceless YouTube channel? Do not be that person who regrets it. Do not miss this technological revolution. Seedance 2.0 is where it's at. Higgsfield is hosting Seedance 2.0. Click the link in the description below to join Higgsfield. And real quick, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money with them as well, I run a completely free newsletter, the fastest growing AI income newsletter in the world, designed for normal people like yourself to profit from the world of AI. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. Alrighty, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it brought you value. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.